drumhead is oscillating back and forth with an omega angular frequency of 6.47 times 10 to the 4 radians per second. And it goes for a time of 3.25 seconds, and in that time we want to find out exactly how many times this drumhead oscillates back and forth. Now, we know that angular frequency, T, is related to omega by T equals 2 pi over omega. Now that will give us our period, so the amount of time it takes to go through one oscillation. Once we know how long it takes to go through one oscillation, we already know the total time, so we just got to divide the total time by the time per oscillation, which will be period, and that will give us our number of oscillations. So we plug in 2 pi, omega is 6.47 times 10 to the 4th radians per second. So T will be 9.71126 times 10 to the minus 5 seconds. So that's our period. So now we can say that our number of oscillations is equal to our total time divided by our period. For example, if we had a total time of 10 seconds and we knew that the period was 1 second, it takes 1 second to go through an oscillation. In 10 seconds, it's obviously going to go 10 oscillations. So that's what we're doing here. Time, total time, divided by time per oscillation. So our total time is 3.25 seconds. Divided by our period of 9.71126 times 10 to the minus 5 seconds. Plugging that into our calculator, we get 33,466 oscillations. So the number of oscillations, after we round that, is 3.35 times 10 to the 4th. That's our final answer.